everybody, it's Ashley, Carolina Trailer Sales, carolinatrailersales.com. We're located in Colfax, North Carolina. We are by appointment only, and you can reach me at 828-773-4500. We'd appreciate if you would like our YouTube page if you're viewing this trailer. We do put a lot of nice used trailers up. We also do not put pricing on our YouTube. You can go to our Carolina Trailer Sales page on Facebook, or you can go to carolinatrailersales.com as well. So this is a 2020 Lakota. This is an LE 81611. So that all stands for a 2020 Lakota 8 wide, 16-foot stock back, 11-foot short wall with a slide. Yep, I got it. All right, so stock combo here, in excellent shape. This trailer does have the mid-tack with a side ramp, does have a hay rack on top. So that 16-foot is a little bigger than standard. Most of your stock combos are 14-foot in the back, so that is a little bit bigger stock back. So I'm just gonna kind of go around. White in color. It is fully extruded, and that is the rippled aluminum from front to back. Of course, it's extruded on the stock part. Escape door. Come around and show you the front. It's got dual hydraulic jacks, 2 batteries, 2 large propane tanks. It does have a stainless nose. So slide on an 11-foot short wall. So side ramp. I'm not gonna go in that mid-tack yet. I'll circle back around. But on that mid-tack, you've got a walk-through door to the living quarters part, a exit door on the far side, and you have a walk-through door to the stock back. So it becomes multi-use. It's also fully lined and insulated, so if you needed it for pets, dogs, dog boxes, something like that, it would work great. All right, so a couple things to point out. A little fender bender of some kind. I mean, obviously, I don't mean they were in a wreck. I mean that they caught the fender. So just showing you that they caught that fender. It's just kind of scuffed a little bit. Ladder and hay rack. It does have the plexi in all the way around. It does have hooks on the side of both sides, and it does have bucket hooks as well. So hooks and bucket hooks. "50-50" doors, full rear bumper. As I said, it's got the plexi on the back doors as well. 16-foot stock back, 1 cut. No sliders, so 0 sliders, just 50-50 doors, 1 cut, no sliders. Do the expanded. The ceiling is insulated with roof vents. It does have LED lights. A couple of things. Clearly there was a kicker in this trailer at some point. So some kick marks here, just superficial. Doesn't cause any issues, but wanted to point that out. Walk-through door. You've got side-by-sides. I mean, you could probably, it's huge in here. You could potentially get 2 in here. For sure you can get 1. 7'6" tall. Livestock, horses. You could totally get a lot of horses in here. Definitely 6. If you tie nose to tail, you could probably get an 8. You do drafts. Drafts will fit in here nicely. You could do a wagon in here if needed. I mean, this is a very multi-purpose trailer. Most stock trailers, stock LQs are that way. Couple of things. There's some ties already in. I'm sure someone at some point did probably put an ATV in this trailer. So there are some ties already in this trailer. All right, Passenger side, you've got hooks and bucket hooks as well. Power awning. You kind of stand over so you can see this side. Let me point this out now so don't forget. There's a couple of dents in the door, and they were due to the arm of the, you can kind of see them here and one here. And that was due to the awning coming off. That awning has been replaced. That is a brand new awning. So just a couple of dents from that little issue. All right, so the mid-tack has a flip-up step here. Let me go to expanded so you can kind of see. It's got brush box. It's got a water tank, saddle racks, bridle hooks, walk-through door to the living quarters, blanket bar. That is a fold-up table. Goes in the LQ. LED lights inside here. Some nice set of chairs, cords. So everything in here, like I said, it is insulated, so it can be used for other things. Ramp off makes it real accessible to do different things. Roll a tack box, things like that. 2 brush boxes, that's kind of nice. All right, so I'm gonna step out, head to the LQ. Okay. All right, so as I said, this is a 11-foot with a slide. That couch does make a bed. Does have cabinets above the nose there. 2 nice wide steps up to the bed. You've got a cabinet there, radio, inside outside speakers. You got cabinets up there in the nose behind the pillows there. You got a cabinet here to the left. Spin around, you've got a TV, and that TV door does open up where you can sit on the couch and see the TV. So a lot of people don't realize that, but yes, that does open up and fold out to where you can see it sitting here on the couch. Big fridge, drawer underneath there, rear kitchen, big spacious, it's big and open in here. So rear kitchen, microwave, 2 burner glass top stove, 2 double stainless sinks. Got tongue tied there. So good bit of floor space. Ducted AC, a propane furnace. Okay, bathroom has the octagon style corner shower. Sink and vanity here in the corner. Walk-through door. It does have 2 closets, or I guess you call them closets, behind the toilet here for storage. Pocket door there to the bathroom. Can't complain anything about the LQ. LQ is in excellent shape, no issues. Okay guys, so 11-foot short wall, slide, 8 wide, 16-foot stock back, Lakota Charger 2020, excellent shape. All right guys, pretty nice trailer. Carolina Trailer Sales, carolinatrailersales.com. If you have any questions or have any concerns or anything, I know there's some measurements that probably people may want in that back. You're more than welcome to reach me at the 828-773-4500. Y'all have a great day.